Are you looking to make $100 a day with affiliate marketing? If so, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you just that. Keep on watching. Alright, so step number one is going to be to choose a niche. The top 3 evergreen niches are going to be health, wealth, and relationships. Assuming you chose a niche, let's move on to the next step. Step number 2 is going to be to head on over to Chat GPT, and we are going to have it write us a simple blog post relevant to a niche. For this example, I'm going to be choosing the health niche. So right here, I'm on Chat GPT, and I'm going to be using Chat GPT 3.5. I'm going to give it a prompt. I'm going to let it know, like, hey, please write me a blog article about 7 best tips for losing weight as a beginner. All right, and I'm going to click on send message, and right there you're going to get an introduction along with the 7 pointers. All right, so depending on whatever niche you chose, you want to get all that information, that little article it wrote you, and you want to sit here and copy it. Okay, and once you copy it, let's move on to step number 3. And for step number 3, you want to go to docs.google.com and you want to start a blank document. Okay, pretty much want to start a new document, just click on this plus right here, and it's going to bring you up to this page. Now right here, I'm going to hit Command V just to paste everything in. As you can see, it looks a little ugly, right? So what you got to do is pretty much just format it. So I'm just going to highlight everything just like so. I'm going to go to format. I'm going to click on clear formatting, and I'm going to change the font size to something like, no, it's too big right there. Let's actually do, all right, what about 16? They don't got 16 there. Do something like that, okay? Now I'm gonna separate this right here. You pretty much want to clean this up, okay? You want to format it correctly. So as you can see, I pretty much cleaned up this article, okay? So right now I have the introduction paragraph. I have my pointers here. As you can see, I bolded, the pointers. So from number 1, 2, all the way to 7, I just bolded these words there. And right here is the conclusion, okay? Now, I highly recommend for you guys to kind of reword this blog article, all right, because it is using, artificial intelligence, all right? So once you reword it and you're satisfied with how it looks and how it sounds and how it reads, then we can move on to step number 4. So for step number 4 is we're going to want to add a call to action to our blog article. So the blog article, we pasted right here into Google Docs. We're going to want to add a call to action to this article. All right, so you're going to want to sign up with ClickBank. There's Digistore24, there's Warrior Plus, and these are affiliate marketplaces where you're going to find tons of affiliate products that you can sit here and promote. And when someone clicks on your link, guess what? You're going to receive a commission, okay? Now, if they follow through and purchase it, that's when you'll receive the commission. However, the more you do this strategy and the more you take affiliate marketing serious, you're going to see results, all right? Because if you get into this strategy with a mindset of making money right away, then guess what? You're going to give up and you're going to say affiliate marketing is a scam, which affiliate marketing is not a scam. The cool thing about affiliate marketing is that you can sit here and promote products and services and receive commissions, okay? You can do that in form of this strategy that I'm going to share with you, social media, just create content around different affiliate products or services that, you enjoy and that you love. And believe me when I tell you, the more that you crank out content, okay, you're going to start seeing results with affiliate marketing. It may not be right away, but you will see results, all right? So once you sign up, with one of these platforms, for this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing is going to be with ClickBank, all right? So right here, the blog article I wrote was about, weight loss. So I'm going to find an affiliate product around weight loss. So I'm going to type in weight loss here, and I'm just going to find a product. I'm going to sort results by, let's see, gravity, high, low. So right here, I have a bunch of products that I can sit here and promote, okay? Just to keep things simple, I'm just going to promote Java Burn. All you pretty much want to do is just click right here where it says promote and just click on where it says create hop link, and this is your unique affiliate link, okay? So if I copy that, now what I'm going to do is add in a call to action into this blog article. So right here, I'm on my blog article. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this call to action after the 3rd pointer. So I'm going to click on enter a few times, and I'm just going to paste this in. Okay, it's going to say click here to discover the ultimate solution to lose weight. Okay, I'm going to highlight that, and I'm gonna click on this insert link button right there, and I'm gonna go back to ClickBank. I'm gonna sit here and grab this affiliate link. I'm gonna click on copy, go back over here, and I'm just gonna paste that in right there, okay? Now, as you can see, it turned blue. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight it and I'm gonna bold it, okay? So it's literally gonna be right there. And you can italicize it if you want. You do something like that. Now, what I can do is just copy that, and under the 7th pointer, I can sit here and paste it in as well, okay? Now, what's cool is when someone is reading this article, for instance, this one right here, I'm actually going to, let me go back to Chat GPT real fast, and I'm just gonna copy this right here. Bam. Now I'm gonna go back over here to the blog article, and I'm just gonna paste that in. I'm gonna go to format, clear formatting. All right, cool. Now what I'm gonna do is just 16. I'm gonna bold it, and I'm going to center it just like that. Okay, 7 best tips for losing weight as a beginner. Now, if you want to take things a step further, you can actually capitalize the first letter of the words there, and if you want, you can even underline it as well. Okay, so right here, so once someone is going through these 7 best tips, they're gonna see this call to action here. They're gonna click on it, and then boom, it's gonna take them over to that affiliate product. Okay, now if they watch this video and guess what, they like what they see and they buy, you're gonna receive a commission. All right, so now once you got all that taken care of, we're gonna move on to step number 5. Real quick, if you would like access to a 100% free course on how to start an online business from home, literally without any tech skills, following products, or experience, then make sure you click the first link in the description so that way you can get access to this free course. Now let's move on with the video. So for step number 5, it's going to be to get traffic to your blog article, okay? This blog article that we have our call to action in, all right? So remember, anybody that views this and they click on this call to action and they like what they see, they buy, guess what? You'll receive a commission, okay? Now, what we're going to want to do, right, is we're going to want to go to File, we're going to want to go to Download, and you're going to want to download as a PDF document. Now, I already downloaded this, so I'm not going to do it again. But after you do that, what you're going to want to do is head on over to slideshare.net, okay? And you're going to want to sign up with SlideShare. Now, what's cool with SlideShare is you're going to upload these PDF documents onto SlideShare, and you can start seeing results like this, all right? You can be getting a ton of views, 78,000 views, 168,000 views, 35,000 views, so on and so forth. As you can see right here, there's 1.5 million views. Now, what's cool is you're getting a bunch of views. They like what they see. They click on a call to action. Guess what? They like it. They buy. You receive a commission. It's really that simple, okay? Now, once you're all signed up, just click right here where it says upload. Now, you're going to want to select that document to upload. So, right here is that PDF document. I'm going to click on open. I'm going to verify that I am a human and I'm not a robot. And just like that, you can start adding in the information. So, that PDF is uploaded. Here I have my title for category. I can sit here and choose health, okay? Now, once I choose health, I can, put a description. So for the description, I can go right here to this first introduction paragraph. I can take a good chunk of that, just copy that. Let's go back over here to SlideShare. I can paste that in right there. For tags, I can put weight loss, okay? Just like that. Actually, let me not capitalize it, all right? Boom, there's weight loss. I can put lose weight. Okay, I can put health, weight loss journey. Okay, how to lose weight. Things like that, right? You can add in your tags, okay? For privacy, I'm going to leave it as public. For show advanced settings, I'm just going to leave everything the way it is. And once you're all done, what you can do is sit here and click on publish. Now, you're going to get to this page. It says, awesome, you're all done. You have a URL. Okay, you can sit here and copy that. You can open up a new tab. You can paste that URL there, and it's going to bring you to that article. They like what they see. They just want to sit here and download it. They can download it. Now, once they do download it, okay, I'm going to go right here to these downloads. Boom. And guess what? They start reading it. They click right here. Voila, it's going to take them over to that affiliate product, okay? Now, remember, you want to rinse and repeat this process with different affiliate products, okay? Depending on your niche, just go crazy. Just find different affiliate products, have Chat GPT assist you with writing these blog articles, okay, you upload them onto Google Docs, just make some tweaks, put your human touch to it, and remember to add a call to action with that affiliate product, okay, with your unique affiliate link. Now, you want to do that over and over with slideshare.net. You want to just start pumping out these PDF documents onto this platform. Now, the next platform I want to share with you is going to be Gumroad, okay? Just go to gumroad.com. You want to sign up. Now, once you sign up with Gumroad, literally, what you're going to want to do is you're going to be right here on your dashboard, okay? Now, you can click right here where it says create your first product. Now, for this product, I'm going to go back over here, and I'm just going to highlight this title, hit copy. All right, I'm just going to paste that in right there. This is a digital product, okay? Any set of files to download or stream. It can also be an ebook, okay? But I'm just going to keep it as a digital product. And for the price, I'm just going to put $1. Why not? All right. I'm going to click on next, customize. And for description, literally do the same thing, right? Just grab this, boom, copy, come back over here, paste it in, okay? I'm all right with this URL. I'm just going to leave that just like that. For the cover, I'm going to click on upload images. I already did, some pre-work here. So I'm going to click on computer files. And I'm just going to click on, this image here. You can find free images literally. Just go right here to pexels.com. Okay, you can get free photos. So for instance, just type in weight loss. Boom, and there's going to be a bunch of photos for weight loss. So that's pretty much what I did. So right here I have my cover photo. Now for thumbnail, I actually did some pre-work. Now right here it lets you know, right, your image should be square, at least 600 by 600 pixels. Now what you can easily do is head on over to Canva. I will leave a link to Canva in the description so that way you can get complete access to Canva. But literally it's real simple. Just click on create a design, custom size. You can put 600 by 600. Okay, click on create a design, and what you can do is go right here where it says upload and upload file, and you can upload that image you downloaded from Pexels. So for instance, I can do this one here. I already did it, but there it goes again. So once it uploads, what you could do is just click on it, and once it's inside this 600 by 600 square there, you can right click on set image as background, then boom, you can click on share and you can download, okay, as a PNG, then boom. I already did it. So now I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to upload file, computer files, bam. I'm going to click on that thumbnail there, and just like that, it's going to upload, okay? So for product info, call to action, I'm going to leave it as I want this. For summary, you'll get, literally, I'm just going to copy this section here. Just go back over here to Gumroad. I'm going to paste that in, boom. So you can add additional details if you want. Okay, so for price, I'm going to leave it as $1. You can also toggle if you want to allow customers to pay what they want. So if I do that for suggested amount, it suggests it's $2, but I can leave it as $1 if you want to do it like that. Now, once you're done there, you can click on save and continue. Now, once you come here, okay, this is where you got to pay close attention to, all right? So right here it says enter the content you want to sell, or upload your files, or start typing. I'm going to click on this little arrow where it says insert file. Once I click on there, I'm going to click on computer files, and I'm going to click on that PDF document that I created, in Google Docs. So I'm going to click on open, and just like that, there it goes, okay? So you can click on publish and continue. And right here, you're going to have, copy to clipboard. This is going to be your URL. Now, what's cool is you can get discovered on Gumroad, right? So there's literally a bunch of products, on Gumroad as it is. So I'm actually going to duplicate this. And right here, if we go to discover, literally there's a bunch of stuff that you can see here and find, right? So for instance, weight loss. Okay. Like people are selling stuff for $50, $20, right? And literally all you're doing is just putting it up for $1, okay? Because the real value is going to be within that article, that affiliate link that you have, that you inserted, okay? It's going to be this bad boy right there, okay? So once somebody pays that $1, they click on this, it's going to take them over to this, right? And this is the affiliate product. They tap to play, they play the video, They like what they see, they buy, you receive a commission. It's really that simple. Now that pretty much wraps things up for this video. If you found value in this video, consider liking and subscribing and hitting that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future content. Now there's one thing I want to point out to you guys. You want to go into this affiliate marketing strategy with an open mind. Don't go into it with, oh, I'm going to make money tomorrow. I mean, you possibly can. But here's the thing. You want to sit here and put these systems in place. You want to rinse and repeat this process with other affiliate products. The more you do it, the more you're going to reap the benefits, all right? My name is Melvin. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.